Boxing is like packing stuff into a box. You've got a simple value, say an integer or a bool, right? Now in C#, these simple types are called value types. But sometimes you need to treat them like they're objects, more complex types. So you pack this value into an object box to use it that way. This packing process is called boxing. Here's an example. In this example, simple value is an integer, but we boxed it up into boxed value, which is an object. Now we can treat it like an object. Now unboxing is the opposite process. It's like opening the box to get your stuff back. But when you open the box, you've got to be sure of what's inside. So you specify the type you're expecting when you unbox. Here's how you do that. In this case, we took the boxed integer in boxed value and we unboxed it back into simple value. But remember, you have to be sure what type is inside the box when you unbox. If you're wrong, your program's going to crash with an invalid cast exception. Please remember that boxing and unboxing can slow down your program because it requires creating objects. A pretty common real-life use case for boxing and unboxing comes up when you're dealing with collections like lists or dictionaries that can only store objects, not value types. Let's say we have some integers and we want to store them in a list of objects. Here's how you do that. In this example, we've boxed the integer number into an object so we could add it to the object list. Now let's say we want to take that number out of the list and do something with it. That's where unboxing comes in. We've taken the object out of the list and unboxed it back into an integer so we can use it as a value type again. And here's the last example. Let's say you have a configuration in your program that stores different kinds of settings as key-value pairs. The keys are always strings, but the values could be different types: integers, booleans, strings, etc. We'd use a dictionary to store these settings, and we'd have to box the value types when storing them. Here's how that would look. Now, when you want to get these values out of the dictionary to use them, you'll have to unbox them. This way, the value types get boxed into objects when we store them in the dictionary, and then unboxed back into value types when we need to use them. Remember though, you need to be sure of the type when unboxing, otherwise you'll run into exceptions. Always double check your types when unboxing. This was another brief tutorial that covered the basics of boxing and unboxing in C#. If you want to learn more, check out the official documentation or visit our website codeprepping.com, where we have hundreds of interview questions with answers. Thank you for watching.